Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now I like using natural ingredients on my skin, and not only do I like using natural ingredients, but I actually like to make it for myself since I like to know exactly what is going into my product. I use serum a lot. I love a light, good anti-aging serum, and I love to make those also. So what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to share with you one of my natural anti-aging facial serum that is not only good for your face but also the neck and décolleté. This serum will help to tighten and firm the skin and give you that radiant, glowing, younger, fresher look. So follow me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to do this in 1, 2, 3.
Our first ingredient is coffee, and here I have some ground coffee. And what we're going to do with the coffee, we are going to brew. You can choose to brew this in your coffee brewer, or you can use a simple method like I'm going to show you here. Now, coffee is great to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines. I'm going to pour 1 teaspoon of the ground coffee in my little cup here. And next I'm going to reach for some hot water. And then I'm going to take about a 1/8 cup of a hot water. Pour this over the coffee, and then I'm going to set it aside to brew, which is going to take about 5 minutes or so. Now let's put that aside and move on to the next ingredient.
To make our facial serum, we're going to use the base ingredient as aloe vera gel. Now, aloe vera gel will help to lighten and brighten the skin. It will help to clear the skin of spots and blemishes. It will also help to hydrate the skin, and it will help your skin to feel soft, supple, and also look bright, radiant, and glowing. So I'm going to be using 4 teaspoons of the aloe vera gel. We're pouring this in. Our next ingredient is honey, and we're using pure honey. Honey will help to hydrate the skin. It will help to lock the moisture in the skin and leave your skin feeling younger, soft, supple, and hydrated. We're using 1 teaspoon of the honey. And we're pouring this in with the aloe vera gel. Here we have our coffee, and you want to strain this. You do not want any form of a residue in it, or just use some from your brewed coffee in the morning. And we're using 1 teaspoon of the coffee. And we're pouring this in. This is a water-based serum. Next, we're reaching for some yogurt. If you do not have yogurt, you can use some soy milk. Two teaspoons of the yogurt. Pouring this in. And here we have an optional ingredient, which is a vegetable glycerin. If you do not have it, you do not need to use it. I'm using about a teaspoon of the vegetable glycerin. And we're pouring this in the mixture. And now we're gonna mix.
Now there's a question, guys. When should you use serum on your skin? Serum should be applied twice daily.
We're mixing well.
They are the first product that should be applied to the skin after cleansing and toning. A sunscreen should be applied over the serum in the morning, and a moisturizer appropriate for an individual skin type should be used over the serum at night.
You can choose to put this in the blender and blend, which I'm going to be doing for a smoother texture. Make sure to scrape all the honey in. And here comes our final ingredient, which is going to help to lighten and brighten the skin. And this is turmeric powder. We're using only a pinch of the turmeric powder. We're pouring this in. You don't need to use a lot of the turmeric powder. A little goes a long way. Now, if you do not have a blender, you could continue mixing this in your jar. If you have a blender and you want a smoother serum, then go ahead and blend. Now let's pour our serum in. Nice and creamy. Here is your serum, a very ceramic consistency. And to use this serum, you want to wash your face and apply your favorite facial toner. And then you're going to apply the serum on your skin. A little goes a long way. You don't need a lot. And this serum is not going to stain your sheet because it's going to absorb fully in the skin. And look how this is hydrating my skin. Now, once you apply it on your skin, you're going to let it sit on your skin for a couple of minutes, and it's going to dry on the skin. After it is dried, on top of this, you can apply your moisturizer. Let's just go back in and be generous just to show you how well this blends in the skin. And it's going to have a little tacky feel, and that's all right. It's a serum, and that's how you need it to be. This serum is going to lighten and brighten the skin. This serum is going to hydrate the skin. It's going to smooth wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. And it's going to have your skin looking plump, glowing, radiant, and bright. Just a younger, fresher look in no time. That's how the serum absorbs in the skin. Leave it on to dry. Now take a look at this guy. This is about wearing the serum on my hands for about 5 minutes. And as you can see, it is dry. My hand is still looking smooth and hydrated. Go ahead and put your favorite moisturizer or facial oil above this. If you have oily skin, you can choose to just leave it as is without applying a moisturizer to your skin. Now store your serum in your refrigerator. Once you put this in the refrigerator, it's going to get a little thicker. That's okay. So use it up within 7 days for best result. And share this with your friends, with your family. Now this is a water-based serum, meaning it's good for oily skin, it's good for dry skin, it's good for normal skin, it's even good for acne-prone skin. So a very amazing recipe for most skin type. This is good for AM and PM. Apply it to your skin. Leave it on to dry. Use this AM and PM, and within a week you should notice your skin looking much healthier, much firmer, much tighter, also clear from spots and blemishes. Your skin should be looking radiant with a natural glow, free from wrinkles and fine lines, just soft, smooth, supple skin. So there you have it. What are you waiting for? If you have these ingredients, guys, give this serum a try. It is amazing. This serum has had my skin looking younger, looking fresher. So give it a try, use it for a couple of weeks, and come back and leave your comment. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.